How often do you clean your ears? I do it every so often, but today I got this one by Kojic. I just finished doing it actually. I'm gonna show you the process, how easy it is. I soak my ear with some oil. This one's got 4 different automatic modes. I like the manual one that I have, but the automatic is so easy to use. It has a temperature gauge, so it's gonna light up if your water is at the perfect temperature, and if it's not, you can make adjustments to it. Nice sealed charging port. It's gonna catch all the water so it doesn't get on your clothes. I'm gonna talk about how it feels after using it. Really easy to use. Let's check it out.
All right, so here's what you get with this. Got your device, plastic, nice and big. Silicone here, nice and comfortable under your ears. Silicone tips, comes with 3 extra ones. It's got a power button and a mode button. There's 4 different modes. Sprayer button, sealed charging port, and your water. Extra tips, charging cable, cotton swabs. Comes with a quick start guide, so easy to get started. Warranty card, 5-year extended warranty with this. And then your full on instruction manual that's gonna give you a lot more details about exactly how to use this and what you want to and don't wanna do.
Okay, first time trying it out. Let's see how intuitive it is. Got a little base here for your water. I've already warmed up some water. It says the ideal temperature is gonna be 98 degrees plus or minus 4 degrees. So, try to get it just past warm, not quite hot. Fill it up there with water. It's locked in. Gonna turn it on here. Blue means too cold. We'll see if it settles for a second. Oh no, it is green. So I've done a few of these before, so pretty easy to kind of figure out the temperature, but like that it has this light indicator to let you know if it's too hot. Now it says it's too warm. Just add a touch of water from the tap. We're green once again. Okay, there are 4 different levels here. Don't want to hit that button. Change the mode with the top button here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is pulse mode. I'm not really a fan of the pulse modes, but we can start on level 1 and we can always go up, and then that's level 2 right there. I put some garlic oil in my ears. They make ear drops. You can use olive oil. I've used that before as well. Just any kind of oil. I use garlic oil to kind of soften up my ears a little bit. Got that ready to go. Basically just put it up to your ear. This little silicone piece gonna fit just right under your ear, so it shouldn't really get anything on your shirt. These are really comfortable. Just set this in your ear, just like so, and then you just press the button. Says to do it for about 10 to 15 seconds. Not too bad of a feeling. And all the water will come out and obviously fall right back into a separate little area here, so the water isn't mixing by any means. And that's basically it. I mean, we'll take a look at what this water looks like, but I can already see some things in there. I could try it on mode 2 as well. Kick it up to the second mode. Try that out for just a few seconds here. Definitely kicks it up a notch. Not bad though. Just feels like steady, warm water flowing through. Easy to start and stop. None of it dripped on my shirt. It may be about to. Comes with some cotton swabs so you can clean out your ears afterwards. Got a little bit of earwax on there. And then yeah, the water that comes out of your ear afterwards is gonna fill up into this top compartment here, completely separate from the bottom one, so the water is not mixing at all. We'll empty this out into here. Let's see how this looks. There's definitely some debris in there, but the water is pretty clear. I do this somewhat regularly. This is what the rag looked like after I wiped my ears. So I wish it was easier to show you a little bit better, but I do this probably once a month or less usually. And so this definitely isn't the dirtiest that it has looked, but this is really easy to use. This one, I really like the temperature sensing on this one because it is really important that you get the temperature right. You definitely don't want it to feel too cold. It says it will make you dizzy if your water is too cold. And then you also don't want to hurt your ears because ears are super sensitive. So you definitely don't want it to be too hot. It's not too difficult to figure out the temperature, but even though I know how to do that, I like that it has the temperature sensing. Now that the water's been sitting for a little bit and this isn't like super well insulated, it's back to blue. So it's saying that the water is too cool. So definitely some warmer water. Love that feature. Love how easy this is to figure out. I do like the manual ones for being able to use the exact pressure that you want. But every time I use an automatic one, I've tested out a couple of these different electric ones. I'm really impressed how like great the sensation is. There's no discomfort at all. It's just steady flow of water, so it kind of just feels like you're underwater basically with just a small bit of pressure. Just love that these ones by this brand comes with the quick start guide because that's seriously all you need. I mean, if you follow these instructions right here, there's no need to really even look through the rest of it. It's straightforward. Get your temperature right, get it in your ear, get it comfortable. It works. It works. These are great. Love these for keeping my ear clean. That's my experience cleaning my ears with an ear cleaner by Kojic. I hope that helps.